Hello fellow creators! In this video I'm going to show you how to add an email redirect in Namecheap. Log into Namecheap, go to your dashboard, then look for your domain and click on Manage. Here you will find the section Redirect Email. You can add catch-all, which means all the different types of email like info at your domain name or sales at your domain name. Basically all the possible names are caught and then forwarded to the email that we entered here. So let's test it. I'm using one of my email accounts where I send an email to info@howtonot. So if I send an email to info@howtonot, it should arrive at the email that I added in Namecheap. If you don't have any other email, you can also ask a friend to send a test email. If the test email does not arrive, recheck the settings in Namecheap, maybe try it without the catch-all and check all the spam folders, the other folders if you're in Outlook. If all that does not work, then maybe you should contact the IT support. If the test email arrives, then you've done everything correctly and you're done. If you have any other questions, just drop them in the comments. I am happy to create a video about it. See you in the next one.